So for our fusion welded window, we're going to use a vertical 4-point welder that's behind me. It's going to create a weld flash back into about 1/8 of an inch back onto the corners of the weld. That way we can create that flash, fuse everything together, create that strong fusion welded process. Once we go through the fusion welded process, we'll then go over to our CNC corner cleaner. That's going to clean up those corners, give you that beautiful aesthetic that you're after. And then that's going to be ready for assembly, finish assembly up our finishing line. Once we go through that on the component side for our frames, we're also going to be doing a similar process on our sashes because we offer a welded frame and welded sash. We're then going to go through the glazing process where we apply silicone to the inside of the sash, drop our insulated glass unit into that sash, apply our removable glazing bead to that. That's going to be the finished sash process, and then we're going to go on to our finished assembly process where we'll take our fusion welded frame with our welded and glazed sash, combine those to be the fusion welded, fully constructed product that's going to be installed in your home.